Alright, back at it. Gonna get the hubs done today, I hope. I've already got the front jacked up with old Harbor Freight jack stands that I'm sure are gonna collapse and kill me. I've got all but one bolt removed just so I can simply take that out and start pulling this apart. I've already got the calipers off. They're T45 bolts. I've got them just sitting there. My brake line is not extended or anything like that, so they're sitting there safe. So I'm going to get the camera set up and get rolling.
We're making Dad
The sub is broken. The spring is supposed to be retained in there, and it clearly isn't. It's been like that for a long time. I've been driving it like that every day for about a decade.
Oh, Dad, and I also found cola.
Oh, where was it?
Under my bed.
Nice.
Like way far under my bed. So I had to go.
Whoops, drop that. Now here's my trick for getting studs off. I've got my air hammer with that big flat end on it, and then I've got some old lug nuts on the studs. I just air hammer them off. That's it. Alright, I got a little OCD. Ended up cleaning all these old studs. There's just a bunch of junk and old dirt all over them. So, couldn't help myself. Used my pick and a brush and just cleaned them up a little bit. Now I think I have an idea to how to pull this all together since I don't have a shop press. Alright, here's what I'm doing. I got the studs pulled through, and I've got lug nuts on each one, and I'm just gonna slowly work my way around using the lug nuts to evenly pull them through and hopefully cinch this thing together. I'm sure there's probably a better way to do this, but this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to work on this and see how it goes. Alright, I got them pressed on. I ended up using the air hammer to finish it out. It was hard for me to hold the whole thing and tighten everything down, but the air hammer pushed it the rest of the way through. You can see the gap between the lug nuts and the face of the hub. So, one thing that I should have done, you can see that crud right there. It's all this dirt, the air hammer. Blue dirt everywhere. Lesson learned when I do the passenger side. But alright, I'm gonna clean that dirt out, and then it's time to put this back on the front axle. Alright, I had an issue. The spindle nut is too big to fit on this part of the old locking hub. Well, so once again, pulling this apart, putting the stock stuff back on it for like the second or third time now, trying to do this conversion. Oh. Alright, well, it's all back together with all the original stuff. No 6-bolt hubs today. I gotta figure out, I guess, what spindle nuts I'm supposed to use with those old worn locking hubs. And then, I mean, I still have to grab the lock washers and all that. May as well spend some time on the internet and make sure that I've got everything I need to put these on, because this is the second or third time that I've gone through this. So I guess now I'm going to put those alignment plates on. I'm going to check my alignment, and then I guess I'll go ahead and do the balance beads and rotate my tires, since I've got 2 of the tires already off. So I guess that's going to be my next step, and then I got to clean all this junk up.